Hey folks, it's Harry Swaminathan. Markets are moving pretty crazy today. So basically, what I want to do is, now you did see my earlier email. I closed out 10 of these shorts. So you can see we have a big move here. Even after taking a loss on that, we are up $4,000 on the day. Overall, the position, well, it's hard to calculate this Google position now. But what I want to do is really, take off this butterfly at this point, because we've got a huge positive move. We've got a huge positive delta, and we were able to make profit on this butterfly. You can see even today, at least we are evened out on the butterfly. But look at this spread. I mean, this is really cool stuff. So yesterday we put on this 820, 800 put. That is up by $7,000 over here. And you can see now I have 10 extra of the 840 calls. Therefore, I'm only losing 3,000 on these, on the bear call spread. So even though this is in the money, we don't have to worry about it right now. We've got plenty of positive delta. So what I want to do is I want to close out this, this part of the trade. And let's see if there's a way to close everything out. I don't think there is, so I'll have to close it out individually. So let me take off some positive deltas first, and let's do this. Okay, no, I'll have to take off the negative, otherwise it'll bump up my margin big time. So I'm going to put it at 1220 and take that off. Yeah, that got filled. So then next I want to do is take this off. I want to sell this, so I'll put it at 32. So that at least would, it's 3180. So let me just get it filled first. Okay, so that also went in. Now I want to let this 850 call go. Let it. It's not going to make a huge difference. But we still have a pretty large positive delta, and that's because we've got this 820, 800 put. You can see the delta differential is exactly 600. So if Google starts to come down, I might trim that, because we've got a $7,000 profit over there already. In fact, you can see today's daily is 11,000. So by the way, these two trades I just closed out, and I closed it out. That's our that's our holy grail trade. So this trade I just closed out for a $3,500 profit. You can see one of those, stock A is a loss of 650, and stock B is a profit of 4,100. So the holy grail system worked perfectly today, because it's a large move, and that's exactly what it's all about. Once that happens, then you can close it out. So the holy grail for the 30-day cycle, by the way, guys, I've put out another video, but we closed out the holy grail at a profit of 18,000 on a capital base of 200,000. So that's a 9% return for this inaugural month of the holy grail course. And of course, once we get into the 3-month service, we're going to obviously put this trade on a monthly basis. So just to recap, there were 4 trades in this 30-day cycle for the holy grail. 2 of those trades, the market went down, and that's what's been happening in the last 2 or 3 weeks. And 2 of those trades, the markets went up. So on all 4 trades, we made anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000. So it doesn't matter if the market's going up or if it's going down. This trade is bulletproof. This strategy is bulletproof. And that's exactly how we pocketed. And of course, the course shows you everything, how we did on all the 4 trades, and how we pocketed that profit. So it's all there. It's all in the holy grail. You can check it out. Now, the other thing I want to do today is look at LinkedIn. I don't know what is going on. I haven't seen the news on LinkedIn, but it's down $17. And so now you can see the iron condor is up $1,800. So, we want to close it. This is about as good as it gets, so because LinkedIn was making a very persistent move up, and now we can buy this iron condor back for $1.11, something like that. Perfect. We've got about almost $1,800 to $2,000 profit on that. Let's close it out. And given that, what I'm going to do is also close out Baidu. Baidu is a very difficult position to adjust. So I think what is going to happen is, at the end of the day, we'll end up losing this $1,100 and I mean $1,600 here, $247 here. Even though we might make up this, we'll actually go down even further. So right now it's a loss of 1,200. I'm just going to close it out. So this is, again, I don't know if it can close it in one trade, but maybe two trades I can close it out. Yeah, I'll have to buy vertical on the call side, and then I'll have to buy vertical on the put side. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. We're going to close out Baidu. And I also wanted to look at Goldman Sachs, because Goldman Sachs is making a huge move. And we have a bull call spread now at 160, 165. You can see this position is up by $690 today. That's great. We're going to let this bull call run. We don't want to do anything to Goldman Sachs. But I do want to close out Baidu. I do want to close out LinkedIn is already closed out. And of course, we closed out stock A and stock B on the Holy Grail strategy with a profit of $3,500 today. And Google, I've closed out the butterfly basically, and what we have now is and you can see now the profits are coming down. So I'm going to trim this, I'm going to book this profit right here on Google, not for 50 contracts. I'm going to take off 25 of those. Let me take off half of it, and I'm going to sell, we are buying it back. So that's going to be at the 2.63 level, and let's see if that will get filled. So that's it, folks. Big day today in the markets, and hopefully your positions are also doing well. Happy Friday and have a great weekend. And I sent out an email, so if you want to pick up the Grail, this weekend is your chance. And I've given a very special deal. It's never going to be back at that price level again. So hope to speak to you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.